Damn you, power! Brave enough to take the first ride, and it stands strong. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of We Builds, and I have these pipes lying around on the roof of my house from some previous constructions. That's why in this episode I am going to build a swing for my garden. Then I'll have to build a garden as well. I'm going to place the swing there, right there. Let's begin. So I've cut the 20 feet pipe into 4 equal pieces, and I have done the calculations. I need to around 10 centimeters from the top, I need to bend it 27 degrees. The pipe is bent from here. Now we weld it to make it stronger. All the 4 legs are ready. These two, all the 4 are equal. Now I'll show you the bench. Right here is the sofa. This is from my old car. Let's measure this to check the width of our swing. So this is approximately 54, let's say 54. So we will go for around 5 or 5.5 feet. Here are all the pieces for our swing. 2 legs for the left side, 2 legs for the right side, and the main beam. Our friend here is taking shape. So I have did some Indian jugards to hang it to the ceiling, and then to keep it straight. I wish I had more light to show you, but here it is. There's no power during the day, so only time I can weld is at night. This is done. So here is this ladder is for the support because it's too heavy. I don't want it to break before I make this permanent. And down here, this is the place we need to weld now. Okay, the swing is ready. You see, it looks awesome. And here is the sofa. So now let's explore what we can do with it in a very bad condition. So that's why it is perfect for this build. These extensions are useless. I need to cut them, and I'll take this thing off. Let's go for a nice clean wash. Base of the roof finished. Meanwhile, these are drying in the sun. Now let's work on the hooks for the swing. And the roof has arrived. This is a plastic sheet which I'll be using as the roof. Looks nice, golden color. Time to shower. Damn you, power! Brave enough to take the first ride, and it stands strong. Now is the time we start with the paint. So let's paint this thing, make this look beautiful. Two coats of primer are done, and I will let it dry for some time now. And once it is dry, then I am going to paint it silver. जो लाड़ी या ब्याह की देख ली तू ब्याह होगा डांक मार दिए कि मैं हो तो कदे हाथ में गोदे बंद है If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.